Hello and welcome. This is John from Stunning Drones. Yesterday at 2 o'clock, the DJI Neo was released. I made a purchase for the Fly More combo and it arrived at 2 o'clock today. So I thought I would share that with you guys for the unboxing to see what we have inside. I've got to say, very compact, very neat, and DJI must have somewhere some real good experts on how to pack boxes. But without further ado, let's get into this little beauty. Okay, so let's have a look at the first box. Inside here we have, right, so inside here we have the intelligent flight batteries. There should be 3, but 2 in here. Yep. Very simple, very straightforward. I'm told that this power pack will charge the batteries simultaneously, and all 3 will be charged within 1 hour, which I thought was pretty good for what it is. The third battery should be inside the drone, but this is the first item, which is your batteries. What else do we have? Okay, so we have a delightful screwdriver, we have our Type-C, Type-P cable, and our controller cable as well, which comes with the bags. What else do we have in here? Okay, we also have the normal blurb, the normal paperwork, stickers, warranties, and I guess they're instruction manuals that you can go through on the drone itself. In here we should have the RCN3 controller. Yep, we do. Not a lot to say about that. We know that multiple controllers will be able to control the Neo. We'll go into that later on, but yep, nice little controller as always. What else do we have? We have our spare parts, which is propeller screws, propellers, pair of propellers, and here's the main item. Incredibly light. I know it's only what, 135, so it's well below the 249, or 250 should I say. But let's take a look. Well, it looks exactly the same, or looks very similar to the Avata 2. Does feel extremely light in your hand. I do like the additional guards. I know that they are removable just by unclipping here. I won't do that just yet. As you can see, the third battery is already attached, and we have the Gimbal Protector, which should just come off like that, straightforward. And there we have it. I mean, on the drone itself, you have your 6 lights and your particular feature functions that you can select. You've got your power on button, and you've also got your charging and also your downloading. Now, I know I've seen online a lot of people saying it's got no SD card, which I accept is not the best, but I do know that the storage capacity is around an hour on the drone itself. Don't come for me if I'm wrong, but that's what I'm reading at the moment. But I guess if you have 3 batteries, each battery lasting, they say, between 15 and 18 minutes, depending on what activities you're doing, then if you've got 45 minutes of footage on here, then you should be able to download that. And that's also in 4K, by the way. But yeah, no, I mean, the drone itself looks really good. I'm desperate to take it out. Unfortunately, where I live, it is absolutely bucketing with rain, so unless it clears up later this afternoon, there won't be a second video today. But as soon as I get any decent weather, then I will be back on it straight away. But this is the Fly More combo. In that pack, you get obviously the drone itself, you get the control of the cables, you get the 3 intelligent flight batteries, the 2-way charge hub, propeller guards, propeller spares, propeller screws, the screwdriver, the gimbal protector, and the Type-C to Type-C cable. So for that money, what do I think? Well, I know that I'm going to be playing around with a variety of controllers. I know that there's a variety of controllers that will work with this. They are the RC2, RCN3. You can also control it with the RC Motion 3 and the DJI FP Remote Controller 3. For me, I'm going to get out my DJ Goggles 3 and have that FPV experience and see what we can get with that. But all in all, maximum flight distance is about 7 kilometers away. Same protocols and restrictions apply. Speed's not too bad for what it is. I have seen online people mention about the quality of the imaging at night time and low light. Well, let's see what happens with that. But for that sort of money, I'm pretty pleased with what they've got here. Subscribe, like, share, and then hopefully when we get some decent weather in the next sort of 48 hours, I will post a video of the new Neo. Hope you're okay, hope you enjoyed that, and speak to you all soon.